This bobcat is one of the few hunters to remain active in winter. Most of his prey is now hidden beneath the snow that covers his entire territory. He hunts by listening for the faintest sound of movement. A mouse. But one is not enough. By midwinter, the snow is so deep that bobcats are forced to leave their territories to try and find easier hunting. And this bobcat may be in luck. It's fed by a volcanic hot spring that heats these waters to 50 degrees warmer than the surrounding air. Here, even the coyotes have become fishermen. But hunting is hard for a cat that's not used to getting its feet wet. Perhaps he'll have more luck on the other side. Here, steam from the river warms the surrounding trees. So up in the branches, there could be prey, if only he could get to it. It's 20 feet up. At last, a squirrel. Not much, but enough to keep him going.